and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a simple recipe. My brother bought me a bunch of fish he just caught. He actually caught them yesterday. And so I just added like half a teaspoon of salt to, I guess this is about a half cup to 3/4 cup of cornmeal. So I'm using white cornmeal today. And why? Because that's what I have. So if you got yellow cornmeal, you can use yellow. It doesn't matter. It's still going to taste great. So I just put a little salt. Don't want too much because I also put about a tablespoon of salt in the water to kind of soak, and that kind of like any impurities kind of helps with that. So at least that's what the old folks say. All right, so let me get started. Okay, so we're going to take our fish, and we kind of do like this to get the water off, and put them in the plate. And then once they're in the plate, you roll them around like so. So we just want a light crispy batter on these. Or, well, I guess you could say batter or coating. Okay. Alright, so you guys get the hint on how to do that. Alright, so here's my skillet, and I got it on medium low because I don't want them to fry too fast and hard. But you want to give it a chance to cook in the middle first. So here is my thing. Also, to test it, you know, you could always just put a little bit, but I knew I had waited long enough for mine. But you want to make sure it sizzles when you put it in there. That's also one way it'll be less greasy. Be careful when you put it in there, it's hot. Alright, just a couple at a time. Alright, so you can kind of tell by the edges it's almost done. You gotta let it brown just a little bit more. Flipping off there on me. Okay, if it's popping a lot, turn it down lower. See that it's getting done, so that it's getting tender. So you can see that it's formed a nice crust with just that cornmeal. So it's going to be light and crispy. I like it to have a little brown. This one right here is just right for my taste. Alright, so it cooled down a little bit, and I could tell just by the sound. So I'm going to turn it up just a couple notches. Get that grease a little hotter. Because it is, like with an iron skillet like this, you're kind of, you hear how it picked up? That means the temperature's going up. So this is the way they used to do it before the fancy thermometers and stuff, as they went by sound. Alright, this one's done. Isn't that beautiful? So I have a plate with paper towel waiting. It keeps slipping off on me. There we go. Lost a little bit of the coating on that one. Not a big deal. So, I'm going to show you what this looks like. This is going to be hot, but I'm going to see what it tastes like. That's nice and crunchy. And for me, just the right amount of salt. So if you did need a little more salt, just sprinkle a little more after. You know. You can always add a little more, but you can't take it out. Alright. So you may wonder what the oil is I use. Today I use peanut oil, but you can use whatever oil you like. When I was a girl, we'd actually fry our fish in bacon drippings. Alright, so I think you got the hang of this on how to fry fish. So isn't that beautiful? And so I'm going to go ahead and end this here. Thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. If you feel that my video has been helpful to you, make sure to subscribe. You know, tell others to stick around, watch more. And you all be safe. Make sure to wash and sanitize those hands. Alright, take care, y'all.